What's going on, everybody? My name's Danny Ferrari.
My name's Parker Ament.
And we are Excellent Sound, and we are back with a remake video.
Our first ever remake.
Our first ever remake.
Year.
Yeah, guys, we do remakes. Remember that shit? We're back. We're excited.
2021, baby.
We're doing our first remake of 2021.
Yeah, dude, we're all handsomed out, dude. You got your
nice
flannel,
shirt
bro.
on, Abercrombie and Fitch.
All black on black on black.
I like dudes that wear Abercrombie and Fitch.
No, you don't, dude. No.
Yeah, I do.
No, dude. Hollister gang, dude.
Oh, fuck Hollister,
Hollister
dude.
gang, bro.
Abercrombie smells so much better than Hollister, dude.
Dude, I don't fucking wear any of that shit, dude.
Anyway, we're back with DJ Snake's Trust Nobody, okay? If you want to get the sound, it's in the link in the description down below for free. You can go ahead and download the preset and the rack. Don't worry if you're in another DAW. You can go ahead and use the preset, and we'll go ahead and explain some processing tips in your DAW to go ahead and show you how to be able to get the same sound.
Use whatever DAW you want, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, we're not talking shit about them.
No, but fuck them.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, we're really excited to be doing this remake again. It's been a minute since we've done a remake, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below. We're going to be doing more remakes. Again, we're bringing them back. We've been doing Aster Gas, a bunch of different stuff. If you've seen the new content, a lot of you guys seem to like it, but we want to still stay true to what we do.
Exactly, man. And we got some big news for them.
Huge news. Why don't you hit them with it, bro?
So we are coming out with our first ever Artist Series pack. Woo! Check it out right here.
Bam. Ephwurd.
Featuring Ephwurd. This pack has over 250 samples. All of Ephwurd stuff. There's some surprise Serum presets in there from some signature songs.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Our signature song.
Our signature song as
That's
well.
Right.
So check that out. That's coming out on January 29th, you guys. And we're also coming out with our first ever official release.
Wow.
Set Me Free.
On Eff'd Up Records.
On Eff'd Up Records.
With Ephwurd. Major collab.
This thing is a banger, dude.
I love
was
this song.
So much fun.
It's a really fun song to produce. We're going to be going over a lot of how we made the songs. We're going to have Ephwurd in the studio. You might have seen a video or two already, but we have a lot more content planned with him. I'm going to show you guys some of the breakdowns of the track. You can hear quick little. We're dropping little teasers here and there, sneak peeks of the song.
Just the teens.
And you can actually pre-save it right now, which is totally free to do. And what we're doing is, for those of you that pre-save and screenshot it and send us an email, we're going to go ahead and give you a bonus sample pack of Ephwurd's Maniac construction kit, basically.
We like giving you guys free stuff.
Yeah, it's free. A brand new construction kit from Ephwurd of his track Maniac. You're going to go ahead and be able to download it on the 29th. After, all you got to do is pre-save and pre-save the song itself and send us a picture, and you're good to go. A little bit about the sample pack. I want to tell them about the pack that's coming out. It's going to have 100 presets made by Ephwurd and made by us. A lot of his very famous songs. We went ahead and saved some of those in there, so thank you, Basie, for that. As well as over 250 samples and the project file to our original song, Set Me Free.
I think that's the biggest deal. I mean, dude.
Yeah, which was made entirely out of the sample pack.
How many tracks are there? There's got to be like almost 200 tracks in
there's
the
a
song.
lot.
There's
it's pretty much the whole pack, because yeah, it's a lot. So let's jump right into this. We got all that stuff away. If you guys want to get this project file, you can support us on Patreon. You can go ahead and do that now. You can go ahead and get the Patreon. We got tons of project files available for you guys. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, what we got going on is this main sound. Ooh, that's a fucking
This feels good, man. I missed our
bass.
remakes, dude.
Woo. Woo. Snarls Barkley bass, dude.
DJ Snarls Barks.
DJ Snarls Barks, okay. The bass we got here is called Trust. We're going to go over it. It's actually very, very simple, believe it or not, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. It's pretty basic. We're going to go over it very briefly. It should be a quick video. We'll just kind of show you what's going on. Bam, okay? So as you can see here, what we have first is we started off with just a basic shaped triangle wave. It sounded like this. Oh, let me turn off the processing.
It's a nice rack, dude.
Triangles make really great sub waves. So I don't know if you smoke nodge like us.
I sure do.
You do?
Yeah, bro.
Let me light you up?
Yeah, bro.
Shit, bro.
What about you, dude? I'm holding it.
Cue the music. Ooh, okay, let's get into it. You know what I'm saying?
Fat ass bowl.
A triangle wave can be a great substitution for a sine wave for your sub because it has just a little bit more harmonics, right? It'll give you that little extra nugget of saturation that you need when you're doing a sub sine.
You could roll off that high end too.
Roll that shit off. Roll it off.
Roll it on down there, dude.
All right, so yeah, we got this triangle wave, basic shapes. We're doing FM from A, and for A, we're going to go ahead and do basic shapes. You're going to set it to sine wave, and you're going to turn sync. You're going to use sync for the warp mode right here.
We love sync.
You're going to turn it all the way up, and you're going to turn the octave to +2 and +1 on the semitone. That's what kind of gives it that like weird out of tone pitch. If you didn't see our we've been FMing wrong the whole time video, it's right here.
Right there.
Check that video out. We talk about a lot of the tuning of the FMing and stuff like that. But yeah,
we're not FMing wrong anymore.
No,
dude.
we're not FMing wrong, dude.
Fucking not on the right way.
And Virtual Riot commented too, and they took it away.
Yeah, he deleted it.
And they just deleted it.
What's up with that, dude?
Video on that soon. Yeah, what the fuck? Valentine or Valente, whatever your name is.
Valencia.
Anyway, yeah, so A, we're going to do +2, +1, and then FM from A. This is going to be set to 31. Make sure sync is all the way turned up.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
It's almost like a ring mod. I think that's what a ring mod is. Or maybe not. I don't know. The noise you're going to use is this SID drone. This is a little gem right here. This SID drone is a really, really good noise oscillator. Set it to direct out and set it to pitch at like 37 semitones. And then what you're going to do is you want to apply the note to this. The note's going to keep that pitch knob moving to where the correct note it should be. And that's going to be set to 3, and it's going to be going, I think, forward. Yeah, 3. Level all the way up.
Yeah, don't sleep on that note.
Yeah, it's very, very helpful macro. Now that we have oscillator A, oscillator B, and our noise all set up with using the note for the pitch, sounding pretty good. We just need to get some processing, and the first thing you're going to do is use distortion diode 2 with the drive all the way up and the mix all the way up.
That's one of my favorite distortions for sure.
I love it. Watch the master too, because the master might be pushing a little hard, so just be wary of that, because we're about to use the multi-band compressor. And I love diode 2. Diode 1 is really great.
Yeah.
There's a lot of great distortions.
There's something like nice and sharp about diode 2.
Very, very nice and sharp. Next, we have a multi-band compressor with the thresh at 18, ratio at 4/1, attack at 90, release 90, and gain at 24.6. And make sure you turn it on with the mix all the way up. It's really bringing out that sizzle sazzle, if you know what I'm saying.
Oh, we do, dude.
Let's hear it in the mix so far. I mean, it's pretty much there. Just that.
Dude, it sounds insane.
And then next we just have a little bit of EQ, just a little notch, little nipple boost right here, okay? Little tight nip right here.
Nip boosts.
And frequency's at 869, and Q is at 60%, and gain is at 19.4. Just adding that little extra, frequency. You don't necessarily need to do it, but... Sounding pretty good.
Yeah, we go for accuracy here, man.
Yeah,
you know
accuracy, absolutely. So now that we got the sound all kind of processed out with Serum, let's go ahead and get into the processing. But before we do that, again, like I'd like to mention, if you want to support us on Patreon, you can go ahead and get this project file with tons of other project files, tons of free sounds, exclusive stuff only to our patrons. How should we bring the patrons out today?
I mean, you're driving today.
I am driving.
So,
Okay, here's all our patrons coming out right now. Oh shit! Oh god! Look at all.
Oh, they're hot patrons.
Woo, hot patrons. Woo, woo. This one's sparking. Shit! All right, what's on my fucking shirt? It's on fire!
Get that shit out of here, dude.
Get this patron out of here, dude.
Shit off of that.
Oh, and if you were that patron, you just got a nice special shout out. So thank you to all our patrons. Thank you, Parker, for
You're
putting
welcome,
out that
dude. I
fucking
saved
shit
you,
for me,
man.
dude. Thank you, bro.
Daddy, chill.
We'll go ahead and let's get into the processing now. Really basic. All you need to use is erosion. Right now, we have erosion set with white noise. If you don't have white noise, you can layer it. We also did that here, kind of, with just a white noise and Serum. Very simple, very basic. So erosion is just adding some more white noise. If you don't have it, you can get a plugin called Texture. Really great for using white noise. So erosion.
It's a thick boy, dude.
You can also use sine to get a little extra sizzle sazzle if you wanted to, but wide noise, wider noise, right? Next, we went ahead and made an audio effect rack, essentially with a dry and a wet. And in the audio effect rack, you just want to go ahead and group. You want to make a effect like this, like take reverb, and then you can just hit Command G and make a group, and then essentially you can just duplicate that, and then you have a chain. But I'm not going to redo that. You can look that up.
It's a central like parallel.
Right,
parallel fucking processing.
Parallel processing, exactly. So dry, we have nothing on the dry because it's dry. And then on the wet, we're going to go ahead and add a reverb and an EQ. The reverb is just going to be pretty stock, 100% for the dry wet, and then decay at 301. That actually helps with a little bit of width.
It's like a nice little room reverb.
Yeah, it's a room reverb. If you listen in your headphones, you can hear it's very centered, and then it kind of just shoots out to the left and right. Gives it a little bit of space, okay? And then a little bit of EQ for this. The EQ is just a low cut at 152. But remember, we have signal going through here. That's the unaffected. That's the affected signal, so you can see what it's doing if you solo it. Okay, creating our own reverb bus sort of send kind of going on. And then a little bit of processing, OTT. They have Zypher Records OTT. It's totally free. You can use that. 10 dB with a boost and 100% wet. A little bit of adjusting on the mids here. And then some saturation to cap her off with some soft clip on. You can use any limiter or any saturator you want. That's totally fine. And then lastly, just a little bit of EQ with a high shelf to kind of bring out those brightness. Look at all those nice harmonics.
It's really nice.
Very, very nice. So let's go ahead and hear it in context one more time.
Out here making money, money.
Very nice. And as you can see, a very, very simple sound to make. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed that and, make sure that you guys like the video and comment down below for a chance to win a pack of your choosing. Maybe you'll win the new Ephwurd pack.
Dude, real tight on that.
I'm grabbing it
Look
real
at that
tight,
shit.
dude.
Oh
Daddy,
my
chill.
god, 2 hands, bro.
Yeah!
Fuck. Some fucking.
So yeah, again, we got the new pack coming out January 29th. Pre-save it now to be able to have a free sample pack by the Maniac Construction Kit by Ephwurd.
Boom.
Set Me Free. Songs out 29th. Packs out on the 29th. Pre-save this shit.
We might even tease the drop next week, dude.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Speaking of drops,
Fucking teasers.
if you want to make some serious drops, straight to fucking, you don't want to deal with stupid chords or plucks, make sure you get drops only. On sale now, $29.99.
There it is.
100 presets, straight drop presets, straight fire.
No
okay?
fucking around.
No fucking around.
Just aggressive.
We took 500 fucking presets and narrowed them down to 100, maybe even more.
100 of the best.
Hundreds of the best to get drop ideas going. If you struggle with drop ideas, this is a great preset pack. Our first ever only preset pack. No samples.
This was
no
so fun fucking playing with for the other video, dude.
Yeah, if you haven't heard the
are
demo
hot,
track,
dude. Look
yeah,
at this shit.
fucking, that was get
Fucking
straight
hair
to
metal.
fucking, dude. Let's do some drops.
go.
Yeah! All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Make sure you check out our Instagram for your daily dose of nugs to wake and bake up to that shit.
Get fucking smoked out.
Get smoked out. We'll see you guys in the next one.